Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today we are going to be doing unboxing and also try on. This is from Lashify. I bought these, by the way. This is what it looks like. It's still in the box. I haven't opened it yet. So for this video, I am going to be doing is to try on these lashes. I'm looking at my mirror right here. I have a mirror on the side. So we're going to be trying on these lashes. This is going to be my first time. I've never tried any kind of lashes, DIY lashes before, other than the strip lashes. And by the way guys, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Christina Bautista and I do videos such as like these. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So this is what it looks like, guys. I still have the receipt. It says Lashify, be your own lash tech. We'll see about that, because you know what, I haven't done anything like this before. I've seen other videos, other women who have tried this DIY lashes. So what's inside, there is a box. I don't know if you can really tell. You can see it. It says Lashify over here. And then what's inside is this one. It has this kit. And they also, what else inside the box? They also have these. I guess this is the space. No, the lash. What? I couldn't read it, so let me just open it for you. And what it says here, it says the lid space finder. I don't know, how do you do this? This is too technical for me. I really need to do a studying for that. So this is the kit. Oh no, yeah, it's just a card, by the way. And then what else do they have here? This is like instructions. You have to scan it and they will direct you to their website, I guess. And they also have the, what is this one? Wandom or some kind of, I don't know. We will open it later. And then they also have another one of these. I am really curious how they do this. Yeah, we are going to be doing some studying about how to try these on. I thought I have a black one, but it's only the card. So this is what it looks like. And they also have these underneath. What is this? I think this is for your lashes. So fancy the way they packaged it. So this is the kit. So they have these things. Let me just go ahead and show it to you really quick. So this is what it comes in the kit. You have the lashes, you have the wand, and then I guess this is the bonding thing. How do you, I don't even know what it's called, but this is what it looks like, and these are the lashes. Okay, I don't know if you can really tell that. So these are the lashes. Interesting. Okay, so let me just go ahead and try one. Wish me luck. So this is the wand. Oh, it still has the plastic on, so you're just gonna have to remove it. So I guess the first thing that you're gonna have to do is to do the flexible bond. Oh, this is a nice mirror. It's like you can really see all my pores. So I'm going to skip this part, the eyelid space. And you know what, I forgot to mention too, they also include this one. This is I think this is more like the remover. If you wanted to remove it, you wanted to clean it. And this is after you apply the cleansing, like the oil base. I think it's an oil base, and you can remove the bond, and then you can have these to cleanse. I think this is the bond. What they said on the website, the white one has the white markings, like this says Lashify. It says white color, it says the Lashify, and the other one is black, so it has that black lettering. So the white ones is for white, and the other one, the black one, is for black. Pretty neat. So you will be able to identify it quickly. So right now I don't have anything on. I don't have makeup on other than the brows. I did the brows, of course. So the first thing you're gonna have to do, of course, you're gonna have to have a clean lashes. So this is the one. So I'll use the black first and then apply it on the lashes. If it gets clumpy, you have to separate them using the tip of the wand of the spoolie. So there, you're gonna have to wait for 30 seconds. Let's see if it's 30 seconds. You're gonna have to count with me. Okay, so I guess that's 30 seconds already. And then they have the wand. This is what it looks like. You have to use the index finger and then your thumb, and then of course with your dominant hand, I'm a left-handed by the way, Okay, so I think that's 30 seconds. Now we're gonna have to apply it again, but this time the one that I watch is you're gonna have to apply it on the base of your lashes. Looking down again, you're gonna have to use the mirror and then go look down, just the base. I don't know if you can really see it, but just the base of your lashes. I can really tell, kind of sticking already. You're gonna have to wait another 30 seconds. I forgot to do the trick. Like, there is a nail trick. You're gonna have to touch your lashes, and if it sticks to the nail, then that's where you can tell that it is ready, that it is tacky. And then the tutorial one, this one, the glass crystal, I think this is more like a water base. And then if it kind of starts to stick on the lashes, like for me, I kind of feel it right now that it's sticking under like the lower lashes. That you're gonna have to do is just go ahead and apply these like that. Yeah, okay, that's the real one. And you gotta have to let it dry. So I think that's another 30 seconds as well. I think. By the way, there is a wandom. I think I'm only going to be skipping for these, but let me just, for the purpose of video, let me just go ahead and open them. This is what it looks like. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. So you're going to have to do is stick them. Because if you're a beginner like me, I'm a beginner, this is the first time I'm going to be trying this. This will help. That's what it looks like. So you're going to have to, you can remove it like that, and then you can insert it again. So now I can really tell it's tacky. Let me go ahead and try the nail thing. Yes. It does sticking already. So after that, I'm going to be applying this one, but it has the white lettering. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty much more like a guide that you can do. Look down, and then you're gonna have to apply it dot. I don't know if you can really see it, but there is. This is the Whisper Light Flexible Bond. So it is the flexible bond. So like I said, you can remove it. This is more like a guide. Okay, now I'm gonna have to wait for 30 seconds again. So right now, I'm just waiting. So these are the lashes. This is C10. So I'm gonna put it in the middle. You have to go look down, by the way. This is nice. It says you have to start off in the middle of your lashes, of your eyes. Wow. So I think I'm gonna have to skip the wandom. I don't really think I'm gonna be able to use those. So the next one is, it's kind of hard to see because you know what? Look how tiny. I like the 10 one because these are more like the natural looking ones. So using the thumb, like I'm left-handed by the way, so good luck on the other eye because this is my dominant. So look down, that's what they say, go look down and then apply. You're just gonna have to apply next door, that's what they say, next door of your lash. You're not gonna overlap it. Ooh la la, my goodness. This is pretty. I think I like the 10. The 10 is just perfect. It's a perfect 10. I hope I'm not forgetting any steps to do this because I watched the video. I mean, I could have watched it more times, many times, to make myself more familiar with it. These are nice. This is so pretty. Let me just go ahead and fill in more for the outer corner of my eye. And this time I'm not going to use the wandom. They're so pretty. Look, this is my natural lashes and this is the one with Lashify. It's so comfortable, by the way, too. It doesn't feel like you have anything on. So these are the lashes already. What do you guys think? This is not a tutorial, by the way. As you can tell, I'm a beginner. This is my first time. So now what you're gonna do is, the one in the video, you're gonna have to insert and then wait for 10 seconds. I think that was not 10 seconds, but these are my lashes. Wow! This is so cool, guys. So 10 seconds. I did this already, but I did not count. So hopefully 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, so I guess I will do. These are so pretty, guys. No lashes, weird lashes. No Lashify, weird Lashify. Okay, so the next one I'm going to be doing is with the glass, the crystal glass, is you're going to have to use the tip of the wand. And what you can do is you can just go ahead and apply it. So it's like going to give you a glossy look. Or you can just use the wand as well. I think I need more practice for this. But I think this is not bad for a beginner, for a first timer. I think I did pretty, not so bad. But I could do better. You think? So the next one again I'm going to be doing is I am going to do the right eye. I'm going to be doing the same thing, by the way. So let me just go ahead and do that behind the camera because I don't want to waste your time. But so far this is what it looks like and I am loving it. I did not put on the inner corner. I wish they have a smaller ones, like a little shorter sizes. Like if you buy the Gossamer, like it's this one, I wish they have like a different sizes because not every our lashes has different lengths. So it would have been nice if they have more on the longer ones and then going to the shorter ones in the inner corner. I guess you're just gonna have to buy a different set of lashes in the different sizes, but I wish they have in one of like this. So that would be more helpful. So let me just go ahead and finish up this eye, my right eye, because yeah, like I said, I am going to be using on the non-dominant one. So I'll be finishing up and then I will be right back. Okay, I am done. So now this is the lashes. I've applied the lashes on my right side, the right eye. I did not, by the way, I did not put any lashes on my inner corner because I don't like it. It's kind of too long. I mean, I wanted to have more of the shorter ones. I could have gotten the short size of the lashes so I can put it over here in my inner corner, but I think I did kind of work it out and this is fine for me. So what do you guys think? This is so pretty. And I must say this is very nice kit. If you are debating if you wanted to buy this, the kit, the Lashify kit, it's actually worth the try. You're just gonna have to have a lot of patience and a lot of practice. So for me, I think for a first timer, I think I kind of did a good job. So this is the C10. The 10 is the size of the length of the lashes. You know, I am used to wearing the strip lashes, but only because I only do that for special occasions. But this is pretty much it, guys. I am so in love. Now I am hooked. I am now hooked with Lashify. Thanks, Lashify. Now I am planning to go on their website and look for more lashes because these are just so nice and so comfortable. I am not sponsored, by the way. I bought these lashes, this kit, out of my own money. I am not paid to say all these things. This is just my personal opinion and my take about the DIY lashes. And yes, it is worth your money. I know it's a little pricier side, but it is truly worth your money. If you guys wanted to check out more of their products, I'm going to be putting down the link in the description box below so you can go ahead and check them out. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to hit that like and bell notification below to get notified for my future videos. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!